This is a special podcast presentation from 700WLW.com. This is Casey Boland On Demand.
And Casey Boland, we talk money around this time of day and talking about life insurance this time. And Casey, the main reason to have life insurance, obviously, is in the case of an untimely demise. But most people buy term life insurance, and that's not always going to be enough for some.
Correct. I mean, I think in a lot of cases, a certain amount of term will provide a very good benefit because of the expense. So term is pure insurance. There's no cash value associated with term. But just insurance in general, whatever type you have, the key element, it can help cover a mortgage. So if your family can stay in the same home, it can help deal with other debts. If you've got children, to help pay for their college education, replaces lost wages. It can help the remaining spouse go back to school or stay at home with the kids. So, there's so much benefit from life insurance. The key is understanding how much you need and making sure you're going to have it in for an adequate period of time.
Now, the idea with term, of course, would be that you're going to save over time. By the time you get to your retirement, you're not paying for colleges, the mortgage is paid off. You don't necessarily need life insurance at all at that stage. At least most people would hope they don't.
That's right. Your hope is at retirement you have financial security where the risk is pretty much gone away. You don't need life insurance anymore. But, for some, as they're getting closer to the expected retirement date, their insurance is now running out, and financially they're not ready to retire yet. And at that point in time, it could be very difficult to buy term insurance. It could be very expensive at that point in time, and you may not be insurable maybe. So you may consider when you buy term insurance now for a long period of time, buy a longer period of time than what you're expecting, or you might also consider pairing it with some permanent insurance so that way you have permanent insurance that will stay there and can be there for a very long period of time.
So if somebody were to meet their demise fairly early in their retirement, this would replace, say, the Social Security that could have been going to the spouse, and in fact do much better than that.
That's right, and then that's why it's so important to calculate what you need to get to retirement and through the retirement years as well, but have a backup plan. Again, we're finding many people are getting to retirement, they're not ready yet, and they end up having a window period of time where they are at risk. You want to make sure that you have adequate insurance to get you through that period of time as well. So talk to a good insurance agent. They can help assess how much and the type of insurance that makes sense for your family.
Good enough. Casey Boland of Hanghold Capital Management, he would be. It's about 8:54.